The pockets on this thing are fucking insane. Let me just say, I have my AirPods, my lip balm, a lighter, a pack of and my fucking pocket knife. This was like $14 on the TikTok shop, and it's so fucking cute. Like, what the frick? Yeah, excuse me. You know. Anyways. Yeah, that's enough of being stupid. I need to go get my hat, and we're gonna do some stuff to the truck. And then maybe after. To me, I'm kidding. Ooh, that would be a good only. Nope, I have children. Can't do it. Can't do it. But you know what? In another life, in another timeline, where I became an adult before having children, it'd be fucking on. Like a truck, like an oath page of me being a psychic witch in the back of my truck. Ooh. Patreon, maybe. Hey, you know what?